Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Fitbit Charge 6 to Strava. First, open the Fitbit app on your smartphone. Once it's open, tap on your profile picture, which is usually located in the top left corner of the screen. From there, you'll need to scroll down and find the third-party apps option within your account settings. This is the crucial first step to integrating your fitness data. Next, within the third-party apps section, you'll see a list of various applications. Locate Strava among these options and tap the Connect button right next to it. This action will redirect you to either the Strava website or the Strava app itself. Here, you'll be prompted to log into your Strava account and grant permission for Fitbit to share your activity data. Once you're on the Strava platform, you might need to log in using your Strava credentials. Carefully review the permissions that Fitbit is requesting. It's important to understand what data will be shared, such as your activities, distance, and calories burned. After reviewing, confirm by granting access. This step ensures that your workouts from your Fitbit Charge 6 will seamlessly transfer over to your Strava feed. Finally, after granting permissions, return to your Fitbit app to confirm that the connection has been successfully established. You should see Strava listed as a connected app. To verify everything is working perfectly, try recording a short activity with your Fitbit Charge 6, perhaps a 10-minute walk. Then, open your Strava app and check your activity feed to ensure that your new workout has synced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.